Today, we are introducing a lockpicking tool. This tool is the Turbo Decoder Professional HU64 Mercedes. It is specifically designed for opening HU64 Mercedes locks. Now, let's take a closer look at how to use this tool. First, this rod can only be extended to a certain length and can be locked in place by rotating. After locking the tool, push the slider all the way up. Once it's in position, use the reset tab to press all the wafers down through the hole. Next, pull the slider back and start adjusting the wafers. Align all the wafers with the first line. Now, all the wafers and pins are set to position 1. Mercedes locks have 5 depth levels. Aligning with the top line represents depth level 1. Moving down 1 level, the first line indicates depth level 2, the second line indicates level 3, and so on. The fourth line represents depth level 5, which is the deepest. Next, we are ready to begin the unlocking process. Before unlocking, use a tool to prop open the lock core. Check the direction of the wafer in base position 1 to see if it faces left or right. If the wafer in position 1 faces right, insert the tool in that direction. Clamp the lock core with the tool and push the slider to the top. Insert the tool into the lock hole. If it doesn't go in, gently wiggle it up and down. Make sure the tool is fully inserted, then apply gentle pressure and rotate. You can rotate it slightly to the left and right to aid in unlocking. Now, the lock has been successfully opened.